Hi everyone, welcome to the Dollar Tree. Wow, let's see what they have, guys. Look how beautiful. And here's the ornament gnomes. And I think this is a different color all the way up. They have a different kind. Okay, look at this. Merry Christmas, and then here's the top hat. Here are the gifts. And I love these bells. So you have some of these in the box still. And then these are the decorative ornaments in different shapes that you can decorate yourself. And these, aren't they beautiful? They come in the silver, the white, and here's the gold. And here's the snowman on the sleigh and the Santa all the way up. These are the birds. And these are the little decorative bells. They're the little gifts for the tree. The reindeer. Look. So you get two of these little mini houses. I think they're houses or churches. And these are the red and these are the gold. Okay, then the tree toppers on the top. And some more ornaments. Snowflakes. You get the 5-pack of these. There's the Merry Christmas. Then you have these. These are so pretty. This is the tree and this is a star. Look at this. Beautiful. On this side. So you have the big balls along the bottom for decorating outside, I guess. And then these are the light-up bicycles. I love using these. And then these are the sequin ornaments, the star, and there's the mitt and the Santa hat. These are the churches. There it is in the gold. And here it is in this antique gold. And then you have the candy canes in that color and in this color. So they have the Santa, the buffalo check top, and the snowman. So I'm loving these ornaments. They are so beautiful. So here's the star, here's the round one. Here's the Christmas tree. And here is this round shape, and they're the gifts. Then you have the signs in the red and black buffalo check, and in the pieces in the black and white buffalo check. See how beautiful? And then you have the bells. Those are the big ones. They come in red, gold, and green. And then here are the owls. And this one. Isn't it cute? I love these. So I think these are new. So you only get one. These are new, guys, to my Dollar Tree. Then you have the sleigh in the silver, and here it is in the red. And some more Santa sleighs and the snowman ones. And you have these. And then you have the ballerinas. So you have her dancing like that. I think there's 3 kind. I'm not sure. Yeah, because then this one, see? She's beautiful. So here's the wings with the rose gold, and here is the yellow gold, and here's the white. Then you have that decorative bird. I love that. Here he is in the silver, the gold, and there he is in the red. Then these remind me of antique Santas. And then here's some more ornaments. I think these are new, but I'm loving these. Then you have these, I don't know, these have like funny faces. And then you have the deer head. and the gold, the white, and this antique gold. Then you have the peace sign and the believe, and all of these go all the way to the top, and these are the campers. Isn't that beautiful? Okay, so then you have this ornament and the silver, and here's the white. And I like these. These are so pretty. Then you have two of the deer. Here they go. And then here's the bigger one. So you have this one. The top of these have changed. They're like plastic. I don't know. They don't look the same. And then you have these ornaments. Aren't they beautiful? These are different. So they have 3 different shapes, and then some more flags. Look at the poinsettias. So they have that white. Then you have some more of these. These are like 3-dimensional. Aren't they gorgeous? Look at that. So they only have that blue. Look at this one. So this color here, guys, is new to my Dollar Tree. Then you have these ornaments. You get 2. You have that one, and then you have this one. Then you have the truck. Then you have the musical instruments all the way to the top. And look at these. Guys, I gotta back up so I can show these to you. Oh, look, and then they have the little poinsettia bells and these. Then you have these stand-up decor pieces. And the reindeer, the snowman, and the penguin, and there's Santa. Let me show you. Isn't that beautiful? Then you have the Santa hat, the camper. These are really pretty. Then you have the Christmas bells, and this is like an ornament. And there's another one, and here are the bows and the tree toppers. And you have those wreaths. Then along the bottom here you have some more ornaments, some more bells. These are the mini ornaments, and these are also ornaments. Then they have these rugs. So this one here is Santa Stop Here, and I think they're in order. So that one. Then you have the truck over here. This ladder's in the way. You have that one over there. Then you have these felt ornaments and the snowman, the stocking and the tree. Then you have these cedar picks. Then these are felt. So you have the elf. Then you have the snowman. Santa and the snowman. And then up there, that ornament that looks like the door with the wreath. Isn't that cute? Okay. I'm absolutely loving these ornaments here. Ho, ho, ho. This one says Merry Christmas. There's the elf. And I love that. Let it snow. Ho, ho, ho with Santa. Those are absolutely gorgeous. Then this sign here looks new. Let it snow. And those colors. Then you have that one down there and this believe sign. Okay, and then in here you have some lights. And here you have some mini acorns. Oh, look. They have hidden here these drinking cups. Okay, they didn't have them put out yet. It's a wonderful time of the year. Okay, so on this side over here, you have the Christmas florals. They're nice. I'm really liking this. These are baby poinsettias. Aren't they beautiful? And look at that blue. Stunning. Okay, some of them have cotton stems. Let's go see what else they have, guys. Okay, so on this side over here, these rolls are tall, but they don't look that long. Let's see, they're 30 square feet. I guess that's not bad. Okay, so these are the ones that are in this box for $1. They have some of them put out. Okay, so Comfort and Joy. I love the cookies for Santa. So let's see. This one says, have a cup of cheer. And then deck the halls. Then over here they have 'tis the season, some poinsettias, some Christmas. That's what they have here. Let's see. Oh yes, they have some Christmas stuff here. Let's see what's left. So we got some berries. Here's the gold. Here's the like the ivory, and here are the berries. Then you have some of the wreath hangers, and along the top there you have some Decor mesh. Then let's see, we have some baskets over here, and we have some glitter tulle, and then we have these kind of ribbons. Looks like we only have the green and those. Let's see, this is Halloween. And then this location pretty much wiped out a lot of ribbon. So we have these, and then we have these. We have the chenille stems, and then we have the faux snow. Okay, you have some more of those bulbs along the bottom. These are stickers, they felt stickers. So they only have this kind. And then they have the ornament fillers over here in the 3-packs. I like this color. Then they have the double pack of the trees. Let's see. Oh, they do have some more ribbon. So here's the glitter. And they have these. Okay, some more deco mesh along here. So then we have, okay, so we have some mini of the bows. Okay, we have the pom-poms, and then we have the snowflakes in the blue and in the white, the gingerbread, the Christmas tree. Oh look, they have the galvanized metal sign, peace, joy, and believe. That's nice. Everywhere else they've run out of them. And then we have these wooden decor, you know, decorate your own. Isn't that cute for the kids? So they have the snowman, the truck, and they have Santa. And then they have these. They have more stickers here than they did at my last location. And then you have the ceramic ones that the kids can decorate, and some more ribbons here. I like these ribbons. Then you have some picks. Aren't these picks beautiful? They're much more fuller now, and then some of them are even flocked. Okay, so we have some stocking decorations here, and then some more ribbon there, some more ribbon there along the bottom. That's a little mini garland. This guy's here is the faux snow, this snow spray. And then you still have some wooden figures here, the snowman, Santa. Okay, and then Merry and Bright, peace on earth, Merry and Bright. Some more picks down here. And then right along here you have the poinsettia clips. This is beautiful, this color. And look at that gray. Look at this blue. That's new. And here's the red. So, go ahead. Okay, so it looks like that's it as far as the Christmas stuff. Guys, thank you for coming with me to the Dollar Tree to check out their Christmas decor. And I will see you in the next video.